Hello students, I'm Miss Wolfram, your instructor, and I want to give you a brief tour of the My Math Lab automated homework interface, which we have in our online courses in mathematics here at Front Range Community College. You will find on the front page of your Desire to Learn math course a link to My Math Lab Plus. Even though your packet may say to go to a different website, our link is directly through Desire to Learn, and we will not use that additional website, and you do not need a course ID in our courses. Here is the My Math Lab website for one of our courses, Math 166. Each course is a little bit different, but they are all similar. There are some areas that we will not ordinarily use in our course. Things like announcements and discussions will take place in Desire to Learn rather than at the My Math Lab website. However, there will always be a place, at least one place, where you can click on to read your electronic text. Sometimes it's called chapter contents. Here is a tab for homework, and here is a tab for quizzes and tests. It's very important to use both of those tabs because both of them will be used in our class. I've clicked on homework, and I want you to notice that some of the homework assignments have little green flags next to them. That means there's something else you need to do before that can be opened. And if you hover over it, you'll see you must score at least 50% on the week 1 discussions before working on any remaining attempts on this homework assignment. You need to do the discussions first before you're going to be able to open those homeworks. In addition, you may have some optional assignments. These are going to be extra credit assignments. If you just have clicked on homework, homework is what you will see, and if you just go from one section to the next, you're going to miss a very important part, which is your quizzes. I'm clicking now on quizzes, and notice that in Math 166 there's a quiz for every section that we cover. Over here, due dates. I can click on the Show All tab, and the quizzes then are integrated with the homework assignments. If I move over to the right-hand side of the page, there are a few additional columns. Some items have time limits. Quizzes have time limits. Also, they have a fixed number of tries, and once you have submitted, you will get a score in your grade book, your My Math Lab grade book. Back over on the left side, I click on grade book, and there are so far no results because we haven't done anything, but all of the results for all of your assignments in My Math Lab will automatically be stored here. Now, the gradebook that I use in my classes for calculating your final grade is in Desire to Learn, and I have to move the scores over from My Math Lab by hand. And so there's no automated connection there, and those are not going to be automatically up to date. You want to know what your current My Math Lab average is, you need to look in your My Math Lab gradebook. The study plan is an item that is not required, but is very helpful, and it allows you to find out what you need to do, what you specifically need to study for mastery in each section that we're working on, between practice and quizzes. And so I strongly recommend the study plan, but it does not contribute to grade directly. It's optional. In Tools for Success, again, each course is different, but there are things that will help you in your course. How do I enter answers is a very useful place to look. It's got about 3 minutes worth of instruction that will pay off a lot. And right here on this question mark is the place to click if you need tech support. Finally, what no automated system can do is to organize your time for you. Make sure that you have organized enough time to do the homework and to ideally get 100% on each homework before you try the associated quiz, and that will prepare you for your proctored exams, which are going to be the majority of your credit in the course. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in class.